Welcome to Watch and Learn YouTube channel. Hello and welcome to our video on 5 tips for better parenting. In this video, we'll be sharing some practical and effective strategies to help you become a more effective and nurturing parent. Whether you're a first-time parent or an experienced parent looking for new ideas, these tips will help you create a more positive and loving environment for your family. So let's get started. Being a parent can be both rewarding and challenging, and it's important to have some strategies in place to help you navigate the ups and downs. In this video, we'll be sharing 5 tips for effective parenting, along with examples and expert advice to help you put these tips into practice. Tip number 1. Clear expectations and boundaries. The first tip for effective parenting is to set clear expectations and boundaries for your child's behavior. This means establishing rules and consequences for misbehavior, and consistently enforcing them. For example, you might say, "We don't hit or bite other people. If you do this again, you will lose TV time." Setting clear expectations and boundaries can help your child understand what is acceptable and what is not, and it can also help them feel safe and secure. Expert advice. According to child development experts, it's important to be consistent and clear in your expectations for your child's behavior. This can help prevent misbehavior and establish a sense of structure and routine for your child. Tip number 2. Show your love and affection. The second tip for effective parenting is to show your love and affection for your child regularly. This can be through physical affection, such as hugging and cuddling, or through verbal affirmations, such as telling your child, "I love you." Expressing love and affection to your child on a regular basis can strengthen your bond and help your child feel loved and valued. Expert advice. Research has shown that children who feel loved and supported by their parents are more likely to be confident and successful in life. So, make sure to regularly show your love and affection for your child in whatever way feels most authentic and genuine to you. Tip number 3. Independence and decisions making. The third tip for effective parenting is to encourage your child to be independent and make their own decisions. This might mean allowing them to choose their own clothes or decide what they want for dinner. Encouraging independence can help your child develop problem-solving skills and a sense of self-esteem. For example, you might say, "I know you can choose your own outfit for school. What do you think you'll wear today?" Expert advice. It's important to strike a balance between supporting your child and allowing them the freedom to make their own decisions. Giving your child opportunities to make their own choices can help them feel capable and confident. Tip number 4. Consistent. The fourth tip for effective parenting is to be consistent. Children thrive on routine and predictability, so try to be consistent in your expectations and consequences. For example, you might say, "We always brush our teeth before bed. It's time to brush now." Being consistent in your parenting can help your child feel safe and secure, and it can also make it easier for you to manage their behavior. Expert advice. Consistency is key in parenting. It's important to set clear expectations and follow through with consequences consistently, so that your child knows what to expect and can learn to regulate their own behavior. Tip number 5. Stay calm and patient. The fifth tip and most important for effective parenting is to stay calm and patient. It can be difficult to stay patient when your child is misbehaving, but it's important to try to remain calm and not let your emotions get the best of you. For example, you might say, "I can see that you're upset about not getting the toy you wanted. It's okay to feel sad, but it's not okay to throw a tantrum." Expert advice. It's important to try to remain calm when dealing with your child, especially when they are misbehaving. Losing your temper or getting frustrated can escalate the situation and make things worse. Instead, try to take a deep breath and approach the situation with a calm and patient demeanor. This can help your child feel heard and understood, and it can also model healthy coping skills for them to use in their own lives. Additionally, it's helpful to remember that children are still learning how to regulate their emotions and behavior, and they may not always make the best choices. As a parent, it's your job to guide and support them as they learn and grow. So, try to stay patient and understanding, and remember that it's okay to make mistakes as long as we learn from them. We hope these 5 tips for effective parenting have been helpful to you. Remember, parenting is not always easy, but it's a rewarding and important job. By setting clear expectations and boundaries, showing love and affection, encouraging independence, being consistent and staying calm and patient, you can help your child thrive and grow into a confident and successful adult. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice videos.